The two projects for Tronox, they generate about 590,000 megawatt hours per year. So it's quite a large amount of renewable energy, and it's actually a significant portion of Tronox's overall energy usage in a year. These projects, they connect at the Watershed main transmission substation. So that is a substation which is managed by NTCSA. So what has happened within Eskom is it's been split into different divisions, and they're in the process of setting up the National Transmission Company, or NTCSA, as a completely separate unit. So what that means for us in practice is we actually engage with NTCSA and also Eskom in parallel. These particular projects, they were built under a self-build agreement, so that essentially means that the IPP, the project company, builds almost all of the grid connection infrastructure themselves, and then certain aspects of that is handed over to Eskom or NTCSA to manage.